All right, y'all, here we go. We're gonna have a little breakfast on the Blue Moon disc. So we're gonna start out with some bacon. Just get this going. Our bacon is coming and going along nicely. It's almost done. So while our bacon is finishing up, I'm gonna go ahead and put our veggies over here on the side. All right, so we're getting ready to do our eggs. We've got our veggies going over here. We did go ahead and take the grease out of the middle from the bacon because it was starting to get a little too black and burned. So right now I'm gonna put half a stick of butter in. All right, so here go the eggs, y'all. While the eggs are cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and put our tortilla shells on the edges. All right, so I've removed the eggs and the veggies, and I'm finishing up our shells. All right, ready to take these up, put them on our tray. It can hang off a little bit as long as it doesn't fall, right? All right, so there we have our shells. Here's our veggies over here, here's our eggs, and here's our bacon. And y'all, it is time to wrap these baby up and enjoy. That's Blue Moon Disc cooking.